Today we are going to be doing another DIY walking tour.
It's one of our favorite things to do because it saves me time from researching, and it gets us through the whole city. We actually get to see everything, so I highly recommend if you guys are lazy like me and you don't want to do too much research, do the city walk tour. It's kind of like taking a walking tour with a tour guide here, except you don't have to be in a crowd.
What we had is only here and now. Don't look back, too late to turn around. Cause what we are holding's gone in a moment, and we can control it.
We found the castle. It's only 1 kilometer from here. Looks further on the video than it actually is.
Cause if the stars and planets burn up, we know. Trust me, hold your breath, I won't let you down. Just remember, if you get lost somehow, I'll find you in the fallout. I'll find you in the fallout.
On our way to the castle, we actually stopped along a lot of the other spots that we needed to stop by later. So we thought we'd actually just do this walking tour backwards. So we're currently at the Haupt Market, and Tam just wants to give you guys some information that she found on Google right now.
So basically the Haupt Market is actually a massive market that happens Monday through to Saturday. But as we know it, it's a Sunday for us. So
We actually could have seen the market yesterday, but we were so tired.
From traveling,
We just stayed in
our
the
room.
so we missed that market. Hopefully they'll open up early tomorrow. I doubt it though, because everything in Europe opens like at 11 and our bus is at 10 a.m. tomorrow.
So yesterday we did this section over here. Today we are currently up here, all the way up to the castle.
Tams is very sad today because she missed the market, and it was actually our fault.
And I could have tried so many different foods.
Look at Tamron's glutes working there.
You can see behind me the beautiful Nuremberg castle, and not only is it like the most beautiful and famous castle here in Germany, it is known because during 1050 and 1571 majority of the Roman emperors used to reside here for a portion of their life. And did I say that Nuremberg has one of the most beautiful views from the castle?
Walking around the castle is really cool. The castle looks different to the ones we've been to. We've been to a lot of castles over the last couple of months. This one's really different, so definitely worth a visit. Now we're on our way to Max Bridge. because apparently there's a flea market there, which we're not sure if it'll be open on Sunday, but we just want to go there and walk around and check it out.
We're at Maxburg Bridge, and it is one of the most beautiful bridges here in Nuremberg because they've got a most beautiful view of both the tower and the district.
Watching you walk my way, I could just stop and stare for days.
You're adorable.
All of my dreams come true every day that I'm with you. I can't believe, I can't believe you're
It's been confirmed there's no market today anywhere. All the shops are actually also closed.
Yeah, and we've also learned just because there's market in the street name doesn't actually mean there is a market. It could just mean it's more of like a shopping district.
So don't get confused like us.
We like following all the market signs, and then, or they could actually be and it's a Sunday and we're just lost.
We're too early. It only opens tomorrow. Tams is hungry, she said. She's always hungry. So we have to go and find some food, or we're gonna go home and eat. Actually, we got lots of food. Lots of food. Lots of oats for Tams.
All of my love is yours, darling. I've never been so sure. I can't believe, no, I can't believe you're
Yesterday we already completed the handcraft market, but today we end our tour at the train station.
Shredding that stuff. This. Spin cycle, please. Carry on. This is a very poor washing machine. Spin cycle stops. Let's go.
I can't do this.